Meaning of ionic.
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 Ionic. The term ionic refers to a type of chemical bond that forms between two atoms when one atom gives up one or more electrons to another atom. This transfer of electrons creates two ions with opposite charges, which then attract each other and form a bond. Ionic bonds are usually formed between metals and nonmetals, and they tend to result in the formation of a crystal structure. In addition to its chemical meaning, ionic can also refer to things related to or resembling ions, such as ionic compounds or ionic liquids.